Hi guys. So once you are done with whatever you have to pick here or as a template, so out of three you can go for either one. And here you also have three framework. Either we want to go with React, Angular, or Vue. So I have picked React and tabular format this time. Okay, so this is the one. So if your project is created successfully, you serve successfully, it will open automatically here in the browser like this. And of course you can check for the mobile view like this. Well, and you can also go for simulator as well. Now coming to UI component, so this is something you have to create how your page is like this will look like. Okay, so complete this screen how it will look like. So what should come, it should have accordion like this. Okay, so it should have accordion, it should have accordion group, it should have alert icons. Okay, so if you see, click and you will find the alert like this. So this is React, like this will appear, and from here you will get the code. So I like this. So this is the code of that particular alert, how you'll be able to use the alert. So if you click on that, you'll have that one clear. So this is how you'll be able to. So in the coming video, you see, simply just we'll do the copy paste, and in case you have to add a badges, the badge, so like this you'll have here. Then the breadcrumb, in case you have to add, so like this. Okay, so this is icon breadcrumb, correct? This is icon breadcrumb, and above one is just a breadcrumb. Then you have button here, iron card, default, correct? So you can have like this. Okay, so these are all part of component. So UI component basically you see here. So all these are UI component. You can in case you have to design a card, it may be like this, it may be a card with image, it can have like this. Got it? Then the list card can have like this. So these are all the UI components. In case you want to go for the chip, you'll have like this, right? And date picker have lots of options here. You can go for date picker. Okay, so like this is month, this is, all right. So lots of options are available here. So if you time, you can see, you can change the time here, you can pick the date here like this. Alright, and this is the React code if you want to use. Then you have the next floating action button. So these are floating action buttons. So with the scroll, it will remain on that same place, and with the scroll, that button will be moved. Then you will have here the grids. So you can go for creating a grid like this, and also like this you can have grid like this. So you can design based on whatever the requirement you have. Then you will have here the input tab.